In this video, we're going to go over Registry Recon feature that allows us to look back at key history. So what this means is that you can load up an evidence file, so it's EO1 or a physical slave drive, and once it's been processed by Registry Recon, we can then go and select a particular hive and then see what keys within that hive have changed over time. So it looks at the restore points and shadow copies, and it then puts it into a key history viewer pane that allows us to go back in time to see what that key was set to earlier. So first things first, let's open up Registry Recon. If USC is enabled on your PC, you must click yes. If not, this will not be displayed. Once Registry Recon is loaded, let's load our evidence. So let's browse, and for this presentation we'll pick evidence 01. Click OK. Now evidence is now loaded. You can see in the top left hand corner, if we drop this down, now let's select this hive, and for this demonstration let's look at the SAM hive, the Security Account Manager. Let's go inside of here in Domains, Accounts, Users, and if we select E3EC, now as you can see we've got a V file, only one V file, and we've got a number of F keys with different dates on. So if we just open up Value Data Viewer, this opens up a hex editor or hex view. So we come down on the left hand side here, we've got the key history. So what this allows us to do is look back in time at what values were set to these keys. So if we go, say we wanted to look, we're in a forensic investigation and we wanted to look for a specific key value at a certain point in time. So if we select the date that we want, so in this case we'll set 13th of 7th 2008, drop this down, and then we are presented with the restore point of which this key value has been saved. So move this out a little bit. So this gives the location of the restore point that this key's value has been saved in. So we go to, if we were to load this evidence into Encase, we could then go to that restore point and extract the SAM file from there and check what values were actually present at that moment in time. So we look on the right here, we go to the Recon view, and we find the 13th of the 7th 2008 10:49:09. So 10:49:09. We can then see in the hex view what the value of that was. We drop this down, you can then see the parent view, and this also displays what restore point that this key's value had been saved in. Just like the key viewer, this has also given us the value of the key and where it was saved. This makes it a lot easier to find changes within the registry at a certain point in time. So if you're in for forensic investigation and I don't know, at 30th of 7th 2008 a program was installed or a user's name had changed, we could quite easily with this tool go in and look at that point in time when it specifically changed, and then we could look for evidence based around that change within the system as a whole. That concludes this video really. As you can see, you've got the key viewer here which displays all changes that have been made to this particular key and at what times these changes were made